welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the van's still outside and the day van's at the side of it, but we have eventually got some doors on. Things are moving along nicely. Pair of doors, they're not finished, there's no catches on, so we're just barricading them from the outside at the minute. The doors are on, they fit where they touch. If you can see that beam up there that's split, that's the next thing to be replaced. Well, that's up there. We've got that beam holding it, them RSJs. But that's the next job. Now the doors are on. Doors are shut in two. As you can see, we're under the timber there. I've got them lipped under. I'm just going to get a bolt and bolt them up tonight, up there and down there in the floor. The other thing that's happened is I've made a bit of a stand to put a kettle on with an upside down plug before anybody says anything. A little Belfast sink in here. We have got the water on now, so at least we can make a brew. And when we get one, get a fridge in there. So we're getting a bit further forward. That's that room. Right, that's the first door that's sort of looking like it might fit. We're getting there.
Right.
Well, door number one is on. That's that one. They are a bit, the shape's a little bit somewhat to be desired. The building's not level by any means, but we're going to put another set of ply on the outside of this, cover those hinges and double it up on both doors. Get that done. So we'll get that stripped and get it on the doors. I think I'm going to have to fetch some more actually. It's only pallet wood, but when it's got 3-4 layers on it, it should make it safe enough. But I'm an happy chappy. We've got some doors on. Right, this afternoon we've got a bit further. We've got a bolt on the bottom and a bolt on the top. And to top it all off, we can lock up, and we can even put one across at the top. So they're on. Next thing is we're going to change that beam. That's going to be a couple of weeks though. I've got a beam to put in there, but it'll be a couple of weeks. I've got a different lock coming to go there. When that comes, we're going to board the doors again over the hinges, ply them again, and then ply on the inside. Just make it as secure as we can. And then we'll bolt it from the inside as well. And that one's barricaded at the minute. You can't get through that, so we'll use that as the entry exit. So that's another day, well, another half an hour in between moving and working. But we're going to have it waterproof. And I've been donated some paint for the doors as well. Not sure on colour. I think it's green. I think it's almond green-ish. We should be alright. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Catch you tomorrow. So when we've got it plied again on the outside, hopefully we'll have enough left. I can go and get some more. And we'll ply the inside. Thicken it up the edges there. We'll get some timber on the edge into this brickwork up to here. Get rid of that gap. Keep the heat in. That's coming along nicely. We've acquired some OSB board for the walls. The Morris 1000 engine stand, that's come. That's come out of storage. We've got that. Not much else has happened because, as I've said before, we're moving house. Well, it's Friday, folks. And I've managed to get half an hour. That steel beam there is 8x4 steel beam holding that timber beam up, in turn holding the other 3 beams that's holding the building up. So that's making it a bit more secure. That's in. Show you from inside. That's up that wall. That's that one. Cut it today. Put it up that opening. So that's that one done. Got the acro out of the way. And we've got another one over there to put up there. I might get an hour here tomorrow. Get it cut. With angle grinders there. It's cooling down. It's a bit hot. That's the beam. That's there. That one. And it needs that much cutting off it. Good bit of channel that. That's what's holding the see a bit better from here. It's holding the building up. Get another one to there. That side. And that's that bit of the job complete. Then we can start using the ply over there and plying the doors up again, making them more secure. I've got the lock, I need to change the lock, but I'll do that when I've done the doors. And that's it, that's the update. Thanks for watching this far. There's a few days tagged together on this, so I hope it makes sense when we edit it, get it out to you. But I am quite happy that we've got that far in this last couple of weeks. What we're doing this and moving house, I've never been so stressed. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you, hopefully, sometime next week. Bye for now.